As a very visually focused social media platform, your post's aesthetic is everything on Instagram. If you've uploaded an edited post, you may come to realize that you've made a small mistake that you want to fix once you see it on your profile. Here's what you need to know. If you're trying to edit anything on the photo itself, you're out of luck. You won't be able to edit your photo after posting it. If you've quickly realized your mistake when applying filters or other photo edits, you'll need to navigate to your post on the app, delete it, then redo it from scratch. However, if you've made a mistake somewhere else on the post, you can make edits to your location and caption. To do this, open your Instagram app and navigate to the post you need to edit. Tap on the triple dotted icon at the top right and tap Edit to edit info on your post. From here, you can update the caption by typing below or edit a given location by tapping on the location text underneath your username. Once you're done with your edits, tap on the check icon at the top right to save them. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.